What's up, guys? Coming back with another cooking video. Sorry you missed the past couple of weeks. It's been kind of crazy with the holiday season. We've been super busy. Our camera girl decided to bring home a peach cobbler recipe from school, and she wants to do that for our cooking video this week. So that's what we're going to do. It's pretty simple recipe. We got 2 cans of peach pie filling, a can of Sprite, a box of the yellow cake mix, and a stick of butter. So we're going to put it all together for you guys and put it in the oven. It goes in the oven at 350 for about 45 minutes. So let's put this thing together. All right, so we're going to dump 2 cans of the peach filling in here in our Dutch oven, if I can get it to come out. Peach pie filling. Starting to wonder if maybe this Dutch oven might be too big for this. We'll get the peaches in here and we'll see. We might have to switch to the smaller Dutch oven. But this is a great recipe for camping. You dump all this stuff in here, put it in the fire, and then you got peach cobbler. Yeah, I think that... all right, we're going to switch to our smaller Dutch oven. So we'll be right back with you guys.
Wait.
All right, guys, lesson learned. Don't use your big Dutch oven. Use a regular size Dutch oven. That was my camping one. That one could probably take double this recipe. So we're just doing 2 cans with our, get all this stuff out of here with our mini spatula.
I like the mini spatula. It's cute.
But now we know, you can also do this in a crock pot. Do the same recipe, exactly the same. Cook it on low for about 4 hours. Or high for 2 hours in the crock pot, but we're going to do it in the Dutch oven because I am a big fan of Dutch ovens. And if you do it in the Dutch oven, it only takes about 45 minutes to cook instead of hours. It's pretty late in the day, and we had some other stuff going on today, so we don't have time to let it sit in the Dutch oven or in the crock pot all day. All right, so we got our pie filling in there. Now,
can I do the best? Like the
all we do.
I want to do the best.
Sprinkle this yellow cake mix on top.
Can I do some?
Huh?
I was asking if I can do some.
And another nice thing about this, which makes it really easy for camping, is we don't have to mix anything. You want to sprinkle some on?
Yes.
So we'll put the whole bag in there. If you're going to use a big Dutch oven while you're camping, make sure you like double or triple this recipe because...
Yeah. Oops.
Okay. And you guys back over to the camera woman. Now we'll just kind of smooth this out a little bit.
Smooth, smooth, smooth. I also want to just spray in butter. It's fun adding ingredients.
With our little mini spatula.
Spatula.
All right. Now, next step, we're just going to take a can of Sprite.
It looks nummies.
And we just pour it on top, and we try and get all of that cake batter nice and wet.
Can I do some?
Just try and get...
I like it because it's bubbling. Get everywhere.
Make sure you get it all over that cake batter. Hopefully this Dutch oven isn't too small.
What if it is?
It'll overflow a little bit when it's cooking.
Wait. Smellies. Oh, foamies. Choo-choo.
It's a lot of foam. All right, now we've got our stick of butter cut up into little pads here. I'll just place those down
can
in
I
there.
do some? It feels weird.
Don't splash it.
Oh, sorry.
Just
It felt weird.
place it gently down in that foam, I guess.
That's really foamy. It's even more foamy. Can I have a napkin?
It's been a long time since I've made one of these recipes, so we're going to take our little spatula here and try and get rid of some of this foam. Knock it down a little bit.
Pounce them down. Like, hold on. Ba ba ba, pat pat pat. Good doggy.
Pop all them bubbles.
Oh yeah, like popping bubbles. Can I pat it a little bit?
Throw all this trash away while she's doing that.
Ugh.
Okay.
That
Now,
got rid of a lot of bubbles.
we'll throw the lid on her. Boop. Pop it in the oven at 350 for about 45 minutes. So
It's very fancy.
we will be back with you guys in about 45 minutes.
Can I lick the spoon? Yeah. Pause it.
All right, guys. So we got the peach cobbler out. We got it all done here. Looking delicious. So it turns out it actually took about an hour and a half at 350. So I was wrong at the beginning of the video. And also only use about 2/3 of a can of Sprite. Don't use the whole can because I ran into issues with that. But we're going to give her a try here. Delicious. A little bit of ice cream. It's perfect. Our camera girl wants to do a taste test. All right, Sissy. Careful, it's hot still. Is it good? All right. Lincoln wants to taste test too. What do you think, Bubba? Good? All right, guys, there you have it. A simple 4-ingredient recipe. Took about an hour and a half in the oven. Remember, don't use a full can of Sprite. That doesn't work. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a try. It's a great dessert. Pretty easy to do. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. And if you have any recipes you want me to try out, leave them in the comments and we'll give it a shot. We'll see you guys later.